Last time I went to the PC store, they charged me $150 for PC cleaning services, and I paid them. And then I was like, wait, that was kind of a scam. I heard them turn on the compressed air machine for about 5 seconds, and then they were done. And then I was like, I could probably do that. So I have a real dusty boy here. I'll show you guys the steps if you're interested in learning how to clean your PC. It should be pretty interesting because I have a husky, so this thing gets just nasty. Also, this video is sponsored by Wolfbox. All right, so step one, you're gonna turn off the power supply switch on the back of your PC and then like unplug all your cords. I always hate doing this because then I have to set everything up again and it's a nightmare, but it's worth it to get the PC clean. Okay, so I got all the USBs and everything, and then you take out the power cord out of right here. Maybe just like also unplug that from the wall. And then grab your PC and put it somewhere that you can use it without hurting your back, maybe. The reason that I was complaining about the PC cleaning service costing $150 is because Wolfbox reached out to me. They have this thing right here and it's $100, 15% off on Newegg and Amazon. So keep an eye out for a good deal. And if you get this, you can clean your PC forever versus having to take it to a store to get it cleaned. Yeah, let's get it open, see what it looks like. Whoa, there's the duster itself. A lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I like it though. The one that we have that plugs into the wall is like huge. And then I guess you have your different little pressure nozzles or something, looks like. And we have the cable. Man, I really hope this thing is charged enough for me to use this right now. That would be awkward. And a little wrist strap so it doesn't blow away with the amount of horsepower from this thing. Cool. I won't be needing that because I'm a real man. Okay, so this thing, it runs for about 100 minutes continuous. It's got a 6000 mAh battery. It's got 3 speed settings, and the peak airspeed measured by this thing is 185 miles per hour. So don't point it at your eye. And also, it only weighs 0.66 pounds. Anyways, enough yapping about this thing. I'm just gonna I don't know, maybe I'll turn it on just to try and test it out. And then we're gonna take it outside and clean the PC. But I want to test this bad boy out. I'm just going to start hitting buttons. Oh my god, it has recoil! Yo! Oh, for the big one, you can't let it go continuously. You can only hit the trigger. It's got a safety. That's hilarious. Okay, is this just like... Oh, okay, there we go. She's just on there. Oh my god, yeah, I could just blast all those keyboards in like one swoop. Let's huck this thing in our garage, and then it's gonna get real hot and sweaty in there, and we're gonna blast this thing. And also bring some tape with you, maybe some painter's tape so it doesn't stick to it. Don't do duct tape or anything crazy. And I'll meet you in the garage. See you in there. All right, now we are in the garage where it can get nice and dusty. We're gonna go ahead and take the front panel off. Sometimes it's just screws. Mine, you just pull it. It's just a magnetic thing, but every PC is a little different. But we're just gonna go ahead and pull the front cover off. All right, now we're in the danger zone, baby. Set that off to the side, maybe on a chair. I usually put it on the back of my chair so that the glass, if it's glass, it doesn't break. If you have one of these magnetic dust covers, go ahead and take that off. Set that off to the side. First thing that you wanna do is take your tape if you want. You could also just kind of hold your finger down on it, but I don't like putting pressure on it. I like using a little piece of tape. So that she don't blow away, just stick it on one of the blades and then on the body. And then when you go to blow the fan, it doesn't spin in the wrong direction or anything crazy. And I got 5 fans on here, so. All right, so now I'm gonna whip out my trusty Wolfbox. Like I said, $100, $50 cheaper than taking this thing to a PC place to have them sit on it for 3 days while they're doing nothing. Open up the door, take it outside so you don't have to breathe all that in, and then, yeah, I guess just start cleaning. Oh yeah, baby. Now I'm protected. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go straight for, I'll go like mode 2. It requires more power. See that? Get out of here. Noise. Okay. It's really important to get the radiator, especially the little fins in here. That helps a lot. And then getting the dust off the fans really helps too. All right, look at that. Very nice. All right, I'm just gonna take the tape off, blow this thing out, just do it one more once over for all the dust that's settled in here, and then stick the glass cover back on, and we're done. All right, just one good once over with the strong boy, and we're good. Beautiful. Wrist strap disengaged. You know why they're Chads? Because they sent it fully charged, 100%. They're real Chads for that. If you want to be all extra and stuff, you can kind of get in there with like a little, you know, like a paper towel, or like, maybe not a paper towel, but like a lint-free cloth, and kind of wipe fingerprints and, you know, but the dust is what really matters. Also, this thing is starting to get sweaty because the humidity here is ridiculous. So let's get it back inside. All right, well, that is how to clean your PC. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, man. Just don't let your fan spin up too much. Don't let any water touch any of your components. If you don't have like a tool that's like pretty convenient, like I said, check out the Wolfbox MF100. I'll leave a link for it in the description. This is cheaper. Click link in description. Smash like, subscribe. If this helped you at all, feel free to share it with a friend. I will see you in the next tech review. Make sure to check out the tech review playlist. Bye-bye. Have a good one.